Dino, nothing do you. That election, as they don't let you enter, e good though. You dey here, you get peace of mind. When a new governor, I see him last week. I greet him, Your Excellency. He prostrate. The guy just a prostrate for anybody anyhow. Excellency. So imagine say Dino win. Now so Dino for the waka. Senator Dino. How about that day here? Oh, get your peace of mind. Oh, he rough. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, Chuk say VC buy table. Which university in there? VC, where are you? Oh, Oyibo VC? Oyibo VC. I attended the Nigerian University, Unijos. My VC, to buy fuel is a problem. You come here, buy a table 1 million. VC, carry in our normally. VC, what is the name of your university? Where? Uni where? Huh? Mona, calm down. Uni. Make him talk now in school. VC, you are a student to me now. I'm your lecturer. Raise your voice, or else you will carry over this course. VC, what is the name of your university? Philomax. Where on a day? Here in Abuja. No wonder you buy a table 1 million. I'm gonna clap for them now, yeah. Nice. Good to see you. Where you from, originally? Where you from? Where you from? Huh? You're from Turkey. Ah. Oyibo. Turkish Oyibo. Ah. Turkish Oyibo. VC Philomas, I know Turkey. Your passport not too strong. You're not too strong. Your passport, you're not too strong. Ah. But I will do you a favor. I give you a Nigerian passport. You stay here. Don't go back again. And I give you a new name. In Turkey, where you from? So I know Turkey well. I know Istanbul. I know Izmir. I know Trabzonspor. I know Denise. I know Antalya. I know, what other city do I know? I know Gençlerbeli. These are cities in Turkey. Where are you from in Turkey? Huh? Antalya. Great city, yeah? I'll help you. I don't know. I don't have much. Do you have anything there? No, I don't know if you have. Do you have anything there? Should I come? You have some? You don't have? I don't say you don't go have.